Hi everyone, welcome to our next room tour. This is the Renaissance Hotel London Heathrow, and we are staying here before going to America tomorrow. So, this is a rather nice room. Come this way and have a little chat. Just move that. So, as you can see, it is a very spacious room. We have a nice big bed. I don't know if they're queen or double or what. I'm guessing it's a queen size bed. You have lights everywhere. It's not that brightest, but you do have lights. We have little weaving lights here. And you have, I don't know, that one? Oh, there we go. I don't know what lights I'm turning on and off, but oh, there's a light behind you turning off. But that is all them lights there. We have, just here, our tea and coffee making facilities. Nice little kettle and all that there. A couple of glasses for water, and a mini fridge, how lovely. Going down this way, we got the space for our luggage. As you can see, I've got my lovely case open there. And then TV, nice big wide, normal standard TV. Loads of room over this side again. Big chair. One of the main drawers, we got a little bit of an upgrade, is the runway view. This is what I'm going to be doing most of the time now. I'm literally going to be watching the planes taking off and landing from that runway there. As you can see, those BA just taxiing up over there now. Enough of the view, let's go back this way. We have got a lovely spacious wardrobe with a safe in there as well, and then into the bathroom this way. I think you're going to need to go in there because it's very small. So, I say very small, but it's enough for one person to walk around, and you've got a lovely rainfall shower in there, bath facilities, toilet, everything you need really. Provide you with shampoo, shower gel, hair conditioner, all that malarkey. As you can see, it's a lovely standard room, well I say standard, airport view room at the Renaissance London Hotel. See how the bed is a bit later, it'll be lovely. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe down below. Bye! Thank you for watching our video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Also, leave a comment. It's great fun to start a conversation. But for now, that's it from us. Safe travels, and thank you for being a friend.